Hi, folks. This is Professor Muth getting us ready for Math 223. So this is our Calculus 3 course, right? And so the point of these videos is to replace the reading assignments that I was initially giving. I understand that this is a 200 level course, and it's pretty likely that students aren't used to being forced to read a math textbook, right? So kind of what I'm going to do then is just work through the textbook, doing the reading assignments myself so that you guys can kind of see what I would expect and how it's done. So this is my looking at the textbook for the first time, and I'll work through the different examples. My plan is to kind of break it up into a bunch of shorter videos so that if you're interested in just one piece, you can watch that piece alone. But if you want to sit through the whole chapter, then I'll make a playlist that sort of connects everything. All right, so we're going to get started with section 2.1. And section 2.1 is about vectors in the plane. All right. So, taking a look at the learning objectives, we want to be able to describe a plane using correct notation, perform basic operations, multiplication, addition, subtraction, right? So that's something that we're going to get into in section 1.2. But this is our goal right now, is just using that correct notation and making sure we know what the phrases are. So let's see. So when describing the movement of an airplane in flight, it's important to communicate two pieces of information: the direction in which the plane is traveling and the plane's speed. When measuring a force, such as the thrust of the plane's engine, it's important to describe not only the strength of that force, but also the direction in which it is applied. Some quantities, such as velocity or force, are defined in terms of both size, also called magnitude, and direction. A quantity that has magnitude and direction is called a vector. And most textbooks do denote vectors by bold-faced letters, such as the letter V. So our first definition is here for us. So a vector is a quantity that has both magnitude and direction. All right.